Good morning, dear students. I request you all to open page number 32 from your EVS textbook. Students, in previous class we studied the lesson number 6, that is plant around us. So today we will be solving the exercise related to it. So let us start with the exercise. A. Fill in the blanks. So here children, they have given some blanks. You have to fill this blank with the correct answer. Let me read the first one. Big and tall plants are called dash. Yes children, there are different kinds of plants. Yes. So big and tall plants are called trees. So this is the first type of plant, that is trees. T-R-E-E. Yes, trees. So this is the answer children. Now let us come to the next. Smaller plants with a woody stem are called dash. So the plants which have woody stem, let me turn the page and check it up. So this hibiscus plant is having a woody stem. Rose plant is having a woody stem. So these kind of plants are called shrubs. So here I will write shrub. S-H-R-U-B-S. So children, here I am writing in capital letters because it should be visible for you all. You all can write it in small letters. Now let us come to the third. Small plants with a weak stem are called dash. The plants which are having weak stems are called herbs. So here H-E-R-B-S is the spelling, herbs. So small plants with a weak stem are called herbs. Now let me come to the fourth one. Some dash smell nice. Yes children, what does smell nice in the tree plants? That is flower. So here you all have to write a flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. So flower smells nice. Now fifth one. We use the flowers and leaf of some plants to make dash. Yes children, we use the leaves and some flowers of the plants. So those plants are called plants to make medicine. So here we make medicine with the some plants and flowers. So here I will write medicine. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. Yes. So medicine. We make medicine with the some leaves of some plants, leaves and flower. With the flower and leaves we make medicines. Now come to the true or false. That is B. Write true or false for the following statements. If it is true, you all have to write T. If it is not true, if it is not correct, the given statement is not correct, you all have to mention F in the given box. Trees only, let me read the first one. Trees only grow in gardens. Is it children? Trees can grow anywhere. So the given statement is false over here. The next one. Trees are of different sizes. Is it children? True or false? It's true. Now let me come to the third. Shrubs are larger than trees. Is it children? No, it's a wrong. So here, false. Next one. Flowers have different colors and shape. That is correct. Now next one. Plants are useful only to animal. We don't use plants. No, we also use. So the given statement is not correct. So here I am mentioning F in the box. Now come to the next page. That is page number 33. You all can see. This is page number 33. In that they have given C, match the following. So here you all have to match it to the correct explanation. Okay. Now plants need. What does the plant needs? Plant need of water, air, soil and sunlight. So the correct, I am going to join it to the correct statement. Now shrub. Which is the example for the shrub? You all have to find out. Rose plant, watermelon plant, grapevine plant or coriander plant. Example for the shrub is rose. Like this way you all have to match it. Now herb. Which is herb in this? Coriander plant is a herb. Climber. Which is the climber? Grapevine is the climber. And creeper is the watermelon plant. So like this way you all have to match it to the correct explanation. Now come to the D. Answer the following questions. So children, you all are not having fair books with you. So you all can write the answers here itself in the given space. What does a plant need to grow? Yes children. The answer is a plant need sunlight, water, air and soil. A plant needs sunlight, water, air and soil to grow. Here only I'll write very less space is there. So I'm writing small. Let me read it once again. A plant needs sunlight, water, air and soil to grow. So what are the trees? Big and small, big and tall plants are called trees. So the big and tall plants are called trees. So like this way you all can write it. How do plants help us? Yes children, plants are very useful. It will help us in many ways. We get fruits, we get vegetables along with the pulses and grains. So here you all have to write the short answer. Plants help us to get fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. Okay. It also gives us a shade. So let me read. Plant help us to get fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. It also gives us a shade. S-H-A-D-E, shade. So children, like this way, solve the complete exercise in the textbook for time being. Thank you.